India is gearing up for a massive vaccination drive and preparations are on full swing for a possible vaccine rollout in January. To assess the readiness of the planned activities, the centre has planned a mega dry run in Punjab, Gujarat, Assam, Andhra Pradesh. The two-day activity is planned on 28th and 29th of this month. As part of the drill, the necessary data entries are going to be entered in the CoWIN app. Different teams are going to be allocated. Arrangements are going to be made to ensure that there is no crowding at the vaccination centres. As a part of the COVID immunization drill, the readiness of the cold storage facilities, transportation arrangements are also going to be all chalked out.
Krishna district has been selected for COVID vaccine dry run. Day one, we will take up all logistics arrangements, selection of session sites, preparation of session sites, and 5 session sites have been identified. One teaching hospital, one private hospital, one rural area PHC, one urban health center has been selected in Vijayawada, and 5th we have selected a building in Tadi Gadapa village, which is in Penamalur Mandal. So like this, we will go ahead and prepare all this.
पंजाब के अंदर 2 ज़िले जो हैं जिनमें लुधियाना और शहीद भगत सिंह नगर, इन 2 ज़िलों को ड्राई रन के लिए चुना गया है। ड्राई रन जो होना उसका डे 0 होगा 27th को संडे वाले दिन, 28th मंडे डे 1 और 29th ट्यूसडे डे 2 होगा।
Aishwarya is now joining us live for the latest on this story. Aishwarya, what is the plan as far as the vaccine rollout is concerned? The dry run has already begun in 4 states. What next?
Well, what we will see today and tomorrow, and this is why we are seeing a dry run in 4 states, it will give the government an assessment. The government will get to know how difficult it will be for the rollout. Now, most of the experts in our country, some abroad too, have been pointing out one of the biggest challenges which we will face will be to make sure everyone gets the vaccination. Everyone in the first phase, in those people who have been identified, they get it. Now, what will be very important is storage facility. How will the vaccines be distributed? The transportation of vaccines. Emphasis would be put on these things, and a very detailed and comprehensive report will be made after these 2 days, and the government will then assess and plan out the next course of action. From what we understand, the rollout is likely to start from January 2021. Back to you.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks for joining us. Aishwarya is tracking the story very closely. She'll continue being with us and get us more updates as we go along the way. The vaccine approval by various countries is raising hope for ending the pandemic.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.